Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? Dave here, coming up with another blog. Um, we came up because GoPro sent me a little product to make a video on, and they wanted me to try it out and make a couple of videos on it, put it through the test. So we're introducing the GoPro Hero 10, and it's pretty much a similar product as the GoPro Hero 9, except this time I have it with a special stand that actually came from Australia. It's a floating stand, so I'm going to put this in the swimming pool, and we're going to do some movies underwater. And I want to see if it looks clear as the or better than the competition camera, which is the Insta360. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and pause for now because we're in the sauna and my cameras are getting hot. But just needed to make you aware that I have in possession the GoPro Hero 10, and we'll be doing some videos in just a bit. thoughts in reference to this camera. The GoPro Hero 10 has been a good satisfaction, a good camera. I would recommend buying this camera. In comparison to the Hero 9, this one came out a lot better, especially since it's got the upgraded chip. It does make the screen a lot smoother without the jittering effect. And it pretty much doubled over. When the Hero 9 used to be 5K, this is now 5.3. Even though the competition camera, which is the Insta360, still has 5.7. If I would have suggested that GoPro should have made some changes on this camera, maybe make a bigger sensor. We could make it up to maybe 6K, maybe all the way up to 8K. That would have been a great change for this type of camera, but it would require a bigger sensor. Overall, it did come out okay. It works perfect underwater. The slow motion works nice on it. In comparison to the Hero 9, you've got to do some editing on the post editing to get the slow motion to work. This one works real nice from its own processor. I like the 5.3K, even though YouTube will only recognize it as 4K. But you know that the quality is there when you're pressing into. You're injecting 5.3K into a 4K platform. So you know you'll still get a good video. So anyways, I'm gonna sign off. I'm gonna head on home. This was the morning vlog at the Go Gym here in Austin, Texas, and we'll see you on the next vlog. Y'all have a great weekend. Maintain your social distancing, and remember, we still have that COVID-19 roaming around all over the place. So you all be safe. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe. And I appreciate everybody that's helped me throughout all these months. I've been lucky enough to get up to 1,100 subscribers already. And I appreciate everybody for being patient and allowing me to slowly make better videos. So, anyways, let's not make it longer than what it is. Y'all be safe out there, and God bless.